So this is question number 14.3 of semiconductor chapter, and in this it is asked that carbon, silicon and germanium has 4 valence electrons each. These are characterized by valency and conduction band separated by energy band gap respectively, equal to ECG, EGC, EGS and EGG. Which of the following statement is true? Right. So what is energy band gap? Energy band gap. So this is basically the gap between the transfer of electron from valence band to conduction band. So if this is larger, then the conduction in that particular element is going to be less. So if energy band gap is larger, the conduction will be lesser, because the electron has to go for higher energy for the transition from valence band to conduction band, right? So this is because this is the relation we have, right? So now what we have to do is EG C, the value of EGC, that is diamond, we also can say that it is 0.4 eV. For EG silicon, the value is approx 1.1 electron volt, and for EG germanium it is approx 0.7 electron volt. So that's why the carbon has very less conductivity, and then silicon, and then germanium. So electron gap in carbon is greater than electron gap in silicon, and then electron gap in germanium, right? Germanium. So for conduction, you can also say that conduction in carbon is very less than conduction in silicon, and then conduction in germanium, right? So this is the different thing, but yeah, here it is asked that what is the series of this energy band gap. So this is the thing. So you can see that the C option is correct and similar to this, right? So this is it.